You might think that what you're buying is clinically dosed or FDA approved, but the truth is it's not. Today, I'm exposing the lies that most companies don't want you to know. The fact is, the supplement industry is worth over $150 billion. Yet most people have no idea how little regulation there really is. The FDA myth. Here's the first lie. Supplements are not regulated like medicine or even food. The FDA doesn't approve supplements before they hit the shelves. Companies can create a product, slap a label on it, and start selling it. No testing required. It's only after people get hurt or complain that the FDA steps in. Think about that. Millions of people take supplements that have never been properly tested or verified for what's actually inside. Proprietary blend trap. Now here's a second lie. Proprietary blends, you've seen this on labels before. A fancy name like anabolic matrix blend 5,000 milligram. Sounds powerful, right? But the truth is they don't have to tell you how much of each ingredient is in there. So that clinically tested ingredient might be in there at a tiny useless dose. You're basically paying for marketing and flavoring. Marketing over science. Here's why companies do it. Profit margin. Real clinical doses cost money, but a sprinkle of an ingredient combined with a great label and influencer marketing sells just as well. Most supplement companies spend more on advertising than actual formulation, and since the FDA doesn't regulate dosages, they get away with it. So how do you protect yourself and what can you do? Well, look for supplements that list exact doses, not proprietary blends. Research clinical doses yourself. For example, creatine monohydrate is proven at 5 grams per day. Buy from transparent brands that provide third-party lab testing or certificates of analysis. Now remember, not all supplements are scams, but you have to be an educated buyer because the system won't protect you. At the end of the day, supplements are just that, supplements. The real results come from your training, nutrition, and discipline. Don't fall for the labels. Build your body and your mind through truth and consistency, not marketing hype. Okay, here's a bonus. Some companies actually care about quality and go that extra mile. They use third-party labs to test for purity, safety, and label accuracy. You'll see logos like NSF certified for sport trusted by pro athletes. USP verified, ensures ingredients and doses match the label. You'll see consumerlab.com, independent testing for contamination and strength. Now, these certifications mean the product was tested by an independent lab, not just the company itself. But here's the catch. It's voluntary. Most brands skip it because it costs money. So if a product doesn't have one of these seals, it doesn't mean it's bad, but it does mean you're taking their word for it. Now, this video is not meant to scare you. It's just simply to educate you because you really never know what's inside of these products. So I would recommend, instead of going out there and buying the newest, latest product, wait for a little bit and then buy it. So that way, you know it's not going to be a recall or there's some sort of contamination in there or some sort of heavy metal. That way you're saving yourself, okay? You want to be educated and you want to know exactly what's going in your body, and sometimes that's really hard to do. So I appreciate all you guys for watching. Until the next video, peace out.